Okay, let's continue. For our gap here, rejecting away. I don't really know if this should be a trade to get into. It could work though. No, I won't take it. I don't care. That was a little bit too vague. I want to have 15-minute fair value gap created, which is here. Okay, market, please give me a drop in that. Okay, it doesn't happen clearly. And I hate Euro USD. I don't want to take anything here. So, how about this one? That 4-hour gap is not respected at all. So, considering that, I cannot get in, unfortunately. And market is kind of refusing to break to the downside very well. So I would rather, because that is clearly the case, I would rather go long, and we broke structure here, so let's go. Okay, this is doing some weird shit right now. I'm mitigating my position and risk. Okay, there we go. That hit. 1.5% winner. Let's look at this again. So pretty much just like a breaker structure to the upside after I see where the trend is kind of going, and I wouldn't have taken this, but when we have this clear high here, and I cannot think of anything else but longs because we flipped this gap as well. Nothing notable is happening in London, or will probably happen. I would say this. Okay, that got swept. Other than that, I don't really know what we are doing. Possibly just continuing higher now. Although, yeah, we traded into that gap down here, which could just mean that we're continuing higher. So that's the reason why I could get into longs from this. Market swerves me. That was like a breakaway gap. Oh no. Okay, we bounce away from here, so it doesn't look too bad for longs. And the idea of reversal here. Okay, that was late. That shouldn't have happened. I shouldn't have taken that. Can you please hit my break even? There you go. This looks quite bullish on a broke structure here. The real entry would have been this fair value gap. Okay, let's quickly look at this again. So bouncing away from the daily, broke structure and hourly. Yeah, this could loss end up in a loss, especially when we are not really leaving this area, but whatever it wants to do, it's totally fine because okay, I'm closing with the small loss here because it's just horrible what price does here. And then it of course leaves during Asia. Asia is the only session when price shouldn't really move because of the fact that Euro likes to move during London, USD likes to move during New York. Seems like we're moving lower at the end of the day. Or not, I don't know. Okay, we are instead shooting to the stars. Look, I'm expecting a reversal in here. Then the price action is just horrible for the whole session, and then Asia ends up moving. This is like, I don't know why it does this. And obviously I cannot take trade here or here. Euro USD is shit. Okay, what are we doing now? Nothing notable here. Okay, the range is getting smaller. We could end up getting. Okay, that was a nice 2-hour trade. Pretty quick one. Reasoning being that market is coming super close towards these highs. Then it basically rebalances from the hourly fair value gap. Break structure to the upside, so this was a trade idea from here. And yeah, the real target would have been up here, but I mean the real target, the target number one was this line here, this liquidity buy side but I just put my profit level above here so that I can achieve 2R, and well, clearly market had a lot of volume, so I wanted to move there. Yeah. Maybe if we can have additional break of structure to the upside, I could still long. Okay, the break of structure is super problematic because like I just want to see it give like a clean displacement and then go. None of this fucking choppy shit. Okay, that was. Okay, so I would close 50% and reduce my stop a little bit. Okay, where market played me there, and I shouldn't have taken that because the first initial chop hitters should really tell a lot about what price is doing or what it's not doing or whatever. That was the trade that I was waiting to see, and then, oh yeah. Actually, I shouldn't have taken that because the 4-hour chart flips that gap. As you see here. This looks bearish in a way. Okay, this was in a situation where I should have waited for 1 minute breaker structure again because we weren't even in equilibrium, so that was probably the reason I lost here. No, market is not really doing anything high probability in my opinion. Look how this range works here, like what the okay, we could get longs here. The problem is that sometimes market will tag this in and then leave quite like very quickly, but sometimes it will give like a deeper retracement. I don't know which one which one is it going to do, or is it just going to respect this hourly gap? That's actually something. I'll take 50% here, and if we see market retracing again, I will try to catch new more. Okay, way too much volume here to the downside. Then we'll leave. Okay, equal highs above. Okay, market is showing unwillingness to leave the area. Okay. We are turtle swooping this high right now. What is this? That was very small winner. It doesn't really mean much for me. I had to manage the position quite aggressively because I didn't like what I saw here. I think we are done.